Hi everyone, welcome back to the Minty Cactus channel. This is my garden update. It's the end of July. It's July 28th. As a matter of fact, and I'm just going to show you my garden update. Would you look at that? Where'd the tomatoes go? Well, let's see. The tomatoes went over here. Now, the red you see are not tomatoes. Those are spent bell peppers. My tomatoes just died. Yeah. So, remember when I asked for tomato help? Well, I got tomato help. I got several people that gave me suggestions what to fertilize, what to cut off, what to throw away, what to use, what to spray, what to do. Well, I appreciate all that help. However, it just wasn't enough. It wasn't right. It wasn't something. My tomatoes just never really fully took off. I never got tomatoes. Most of the plants did bloom at least once. They never produced a tomato at all. There could be a lot of things wrong. The soil can be wrong. My watering could have been wrong. I could have over-fertilized. There's all kinds of stuff, all kinds of issues, and I really don't know what happened. I just don't know. So I've given up on these tomatoes. Now, I still have some squash growing, which is right here. This one looks really bad, doesn't it? I just flipped it over. That's all. It looks bad. It's not. It's fine. There's that lemon balm that I went ahead, took it out of the pot, planted in this much bigger pot, and it seems to be coming back. It seems to be growing a lot of leaves, and it seems to be doing just fine. That's great. This is aroma. It looks kind of sad, but it is still growing. So that's one Roma that I have. Still have yellow squash and zucchini growing. Even got some spent blooms in there. My sweet mint, which is hiding in here, is doing really well. The sweet mint's fine. And the other, where's my other lemon balm? Let's see. Oh, I think is it under here? No, here it is. It's hiding under here. My other lemon balm is hiding under a squash. It's doing great. So the lemon balms are good. The yellow squash, the zucchini, the sweet mint, those are all doing well. What else do I have? This is my 5-gallon bucket challenge, and these peppers are finally taking off and growing, which I'm very excited about. That's encouraging. These peppers are from last year. They're doing fine. My chives are doing good. My regular mint is okay. My basil's good. They look a little funny right now because I need to water, which I will do as soon as I'm done with this video. My peppers from last year are still growing and producing. So they're okay. They look a little spent because they need water, so hang on. There's another pepper from last year, still growing, still producing. These two peppers are still growing and producing, which is good. I've got zucchini and yellow squash down here. They're still growing. They take a break in the heat. It's too hot for them even to throw out a bloom. We've had some more blooms. We'll see what happens. This pepper plant was my colorful one. The one that I've been waiting for, the one that I bought at Walmart. Now it has grown back. Look at that. I mean, just all over the place. Grown back from where it got eaten. See, all the way up there. Now I have not found another worm on it yet. I check it a couple times a day because I am not having that happen. Again, I probably need to take that leaf off. But it's come back great. Here's two more squash and zucchini. And then this is one of the pepper plants from the 5-gallon bucket challenge. And this is my other Roma. So far, oh, look at that. So far, I've got 2 Romas that I just decided to plant to see if they would, and they both took, which I'm very happy about. So we'll see if I actually get a tomato, considering it's the end of July. Now, I live in Arizona. We very well could have tomatoes in the fall. I don't know. If anyone has any suggestions, let me know. It's too hot here still to have any fall crops planted. It's way too hot. It's 102 today. So yeah, I definitely can't plant any fall crops. But everything sure does look good. And just the loss of the tomatoes. I cannot grow tomatoes here. I don't know what it is. And I'm slightly frustrated about it because I put a lot of money into that entire area just to take it all apart and have it do nothing. So anyway, sad and frustrated cactus. Still got some stuff growing. Does look pretty good. Thanks everyone for your continued support. Super appreciate you. Leave a comment, please. Help, comment, thoughtfulness, whatever. I really would appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.